How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshops. I'm glad you're here for the final day of 2024. We made it. 2024 is over. Had a go. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Tomorrow is January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year. Yes, sir. 2024, eventful year, eh? Eventful year. Lots happened in 2024, but you know what? Nannie and I, we want to wish all our YouTube friends and family and viewers and commenters and subscribers and all the people we know here around the lake and in town, we want to wish us all the most prosperous and happiest and healthiest new year ever. We hope that 2025 is the best year you've ever had. And, you know, I'm pretty sure good things are going to happen to us all in 2025. You just wait and see. Don't care what Trudeau says. Things are going to be better in 2025. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Quick little video. Just wanted to say Happy New Year's to you all. So be careful tonight if you're out partying. Have a safe and happy party and a safe trip home. And, you know, Happy New Year. We'll talk to you.